Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching Grilling and Chilling with Al. And tonight I'm going to show you how to do salmon on your Blackstone. And then we're going to take it from there and we're going to put it in the oven. But what we're going to do is we're going to sear everything on both sides. And then we're going to top it off in the oven. But I got a special marinade for you. We're going to be doing bourbon peach glaze marinade tonight, all right? I'll have everything listed in the description below. I pre-made everything, so it's ready to go. I've got to get a quick cook in because I'm going to be traveling for the next few days for work, and I just won't have time to get a cook out this week. So we're going to get started. I'm going to show you, if you like salmon, hopefully this one you'll try and let me know what you think. So let's get started. All right, so to make this marinade, you'll need some soy sauce, some bourbon, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, peach reserve, minced garlic, parsley, black pepper, sea salt, and peaches. And the star of the show will be, of course, the filet salmon. You'll mix this all together and marinate. Now that you've mixed up your marinade, go ahead and pour it into the gallon bag over the fillets, mix well, and let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. Make sure to save some because you'll use this at the end when you bake it in the oven, and pour the remaining marinade over the salmon and the sliced peaches. We'll get this set up, put it in the fridge, and come back and get ready to cook. Okay, so I've got the griddle going. It's around 350. We're gonna lay some oil down. And what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna sear each side for 2 minutes. But we're gonna start with the flesh side down first. It's been marinating for about 45 minutes. And now we're gonna start the first phase of the cook. Look at that, folks. We're going to let this go for 2 minutes, and then we'll sear the skin side, and then we're going to put fresh peaches on it, and then take it in and get it served up, get it into the oven and then serve it up. So be back in 2 minutes. All right, it's been 2 minutes. Let's flip them and see how they look. Oh, perfect. Maybe a little bit too much. Okay, so now the second part of this cook is we're going to add our fresh cut peaches, and we're going to lay them on top. So they just kind of start to soften up even more. They're really ripe. And this is going to go into the dish as well. We'll let this go for a couple more minutes, and then from there we'll put them in the cast iron. Add the reserve bourbon peach glaze to it, and then we're going to cook them in the oven for 12 minutes at 375. So we'll let this go for a little bit more, and then we're going to pull them, add them to the cast iron, add this sauce, and then throw them in the oven. All right, that's done. This is the easy part. We're going to go ahead and put these in. By the way, these are king fillets that I bought at Costco. I'll just add the remaining sliced peaches. And then we're just going to take the remaining of the reserves and just apply it. And this is what's going to go in the oven. We're going to let this go for 12 minutes until we hit our internal temp of 145, I believe. I'll have to look that up. And then we'll serve dinner. So let's walk inside and go to the next phase. All right, we're going to add this to the oven for 12 minutes, and then we're going to pull it. So we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, we're at the 12-minute mark. We're going to pull it and check it to see what the internal temperature is real quick. If we hit that 145, we'll go ahead and pull it out. If we're not there yet, we'll look at it, let it cook for a little bit more. Oh boy. Right, we're at 130, so we're gonna let it go for a couple more minutes. Be right back. Okay, 15 minutes later, we've hit our internal temp of 145. So what we're gonna do is serve up, and next time you see me, we're gonna do a taste test. So I'll get this served up for my wife and I, and then we'll check it out. Stay tuned. Right, taste test time. Let's give this a try and see what we think. Well, I think out of all the marinades I've ever done, this is probably the best one. I asked my wife, who's next to me, what she thought, and what were your comments?
It's very tangy, a little bit smoky with kind of a tangy twist.
So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do make this dish, please leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And thanks for watching, and let me always do the grilling and you do the chilling, and I'll catch you again real soon. I hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching.